Hello dear students, welcome back to Success Academy Jamkhandi, and this is Suman. Today we are going to discuss a complete GPSTR mathematics syllabus. So the first topic what we can see in the syllabus is number system. In number system, place values, expanded form, basic operations. Place values are nothing but ones, tens, 100, 1000, and expanded forms in terms by using the place values only we goes into expanded form. Next is basic operations. What are the basic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also there will be a use of Bodmas rule. Okay, simplification. Simplification is how we use simplification, no doubt by using Bodmas rule. By using Bodmas rule. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, squares, cubes, cube roots, playing with the numbers, HCF, LCM, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, ratio and proportion, comparing quantities, right? So if we compare this syllabus with the question paper, it is exactly tallying. Okay, you can go through it. Okay, next, second topic is real number. In real numbers, we are going with our live operations on a real number, Euclid's dimensional lemma, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, next, properties, types, laws, Venn diagrams, cardinality of sets, relations and functions. These relations and function is up to the class 12th. Up to the class 12th. Relations and function. In the class 11th as well as in the class 12th it is mentioned. So you should not restrict your syllabus since it is for 6 to 8 standard. Don't limit yourself only to up to 10 standard syllabus या फिर up to 8 standard. अगर आपको 8 तक पढ़ाना है तो इसका ये मतलब बिल्कुल नहीं है कि आपका syllabus सिर्फ 8 तक पूछेगा या 10 तक पूछेगा. You have to refer till the class 12th textbooks. So this syllabus will be in detail up to class 12. So sequence and series. Is sequence and series you can see in the class 10th as well as in the class 11th. AP, GP, AM and GM, that is arithmetic progression, geometric progression, arithmetic mean and geometric mean. If you see AP, you will find in the class 10th, and GP you will find in the class 11th. AM and GM also you will see in the class 11th. Okay, and unitary methods, percentage, profit and loss, brokerage, commission, simple interest, compound interest, discount, hire, purchase and installment buying. This all your commercial mathematics related to profit, loss. Unitary method means what? यूनिटरी मेथड मीन्स व्हाट? अगर किसी एक क्वांटिटी, किसी एक चीज का, कोई एक एटम का या फिर कोई एक गुड का आपके पास इतना अगर कॉस्ट है या फिर इतनी अगर उसकी वैल्यू है तो नंबर ऑफ मल्टीपल एटम्स की कितनी होगी, दैट इज नथिंग बट अंडर unitary methods. Okay, then simple interest, compound interest, that is also a very vast topic but then also easy to understand. You can easily go with it. Class interval. Next topic is statistics. In statistics, class interval. Okay, only class interval is mentioned but class interval are also of types like inclusive class interval and exclusive class intervals, and the types it is written, and types. Graphical representation. Graphical, how many types of graphical representation we are having? जैसा कि histogram, bar graph, right, line graph, pie chart, ogives, right, many types of graphs we are having. We have to go through with all the presentations, graphical presentation. Next, measurement of central tendencies. What are central tendencies? Like सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी, डिस्पर्शन मेजर, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएशन. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएशन किसको कहेंगे? सीवी को. सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी आर नथिंग बट मीन, मीडियन, मोड, mean, median, mode, etc. These are the central tendencies and measure. Next, CV, coefficient of variation is CV. Next, next is permutation and combination. permutation combination, meaning, formulae, fundamental counting, meaning, formulae, fundamental counting principle. Okay, fundamental counting principle, factorial notation. How to represent factorial notation? You might have observed factorial notation. There are, what is the actual difference between permutation and combination? What is the actual meaning? Because क्वेश्चन हमेशा डायरेक्ट नहीं होंगे टॉपिक पर, क्वेश्चन होंगे कॉन्सेप्ट पर. हमेशा जरूरी नहीं है क्वेश्चन क्वांटिटीज में हो या फिर नंबर्स में हो जिसमें सिर्फ सॉल्व करने वाले क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑन द concept as well. And next, formulas for permutation and combination represented by NPR, NCR. And next is factorial notation. We use like n factorial, r factorial. This is the representation of factorial. Next is fundamental principle of counting. What is the fundamental principle of counting? M into n wale objects hai. If the event is occurring in m different ways and another event is occurring in n different ways, then fundamental principle of counting says it is the product of m and n. Okay, this is what the partial syllabus. Let's continue. Next page. Next is, and after factorial notation, next topic is probability. Probability we are learning from class 10th, 11th, 12th. We are having from the basic class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, from the basics to the details. बहुत वैरायटी, बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे पास इन डेप्थ भी है, हमारे पास सिंपल भी है प्रोबेबिलिटी. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी के भी आपके पास अच्छा सा कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसको आप पढ़कर अच्छे से इसमें नंबर ले सकते हैं. मीनिंग, टाइप्स, रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड इवेंट्स, टाइप्स ऑफ इवेंट्स, एडिशन रूल. लाइक टाइप्स ऑफ इवेंट लाइक श्योर इवेंट, empty event, exclusive event, inclusive event. Okay, these are the types of events. Next, basic concepts of algebra. This is very easy way to attempt. These are the easy part. This we can say easy part of the question paper, because every student who is learning from the primary till their higher studies, they are interested, they are good at algebra. Okay, so this is the part where you can score good. Basic terms of algebra, algebraic expressions, types of polynomials. Next, basic operations, special products, factorization, identities, conditional identities, HCF, LCMs. These are the basics rules which we are learning since years. तो ये कंटेंट ऐसा है, ये पार्ट ऐसा है जहाँ से आप बहुत अच्छा सा अपना उस पर आप अच्छा उस पर से वर्क कर आप अच्छे मार्क्स आप ला सकते हो वहाँ पर. नेक्स्ट है पॉलिनोमियल. पॉलिनोमियल में भी आपको पढ़ने हैं उसके मीनिंग्स, types, zeros of polynomial. What do you mean by zeros of polynomial? Solutions of polynomial. Okay, a solution has solution has how many variable? That many solutions will have. So that many zeros it will have. Next, division algorithm. Division algorithm. Next, remainder factor theorem. Remainder and factor theorem is also one of the interesting topic. Interesting. Okay, easily you can go with all the topics. Only the thing you need a right track and a right way to follow. Okay, next, linear equations. Linear equations, simultaneous linear equations, different methods of solving. Linear equations किसको कहेंगे? Equations with a 1 degree or a single degree is called linear equations. Okay, and linear equations there are and simultaneous equation means more than one equation, more than one variable are solving at a time, means are solving simultaneously. एक से ज्यादा वेरिएबल और एक से ज्यादा इक्वेशन जिसको हम एट ए टाइम एक ही साथ उन्हें सॉल्व करना है. सच काइंड ऑफ इक्वेशंस आर कॉल्ड लीनियर साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशंस. एंड इनको सॉल्व करने के हमारे पास कई सारे मेथड्स हैं, उन्हीं को हम बोल रहे हैं डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ सॉल्विंग. लाइक इक्वेटिंग कोएफिशिएंट्स बाई क्रिस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. एक मेथड है उसका ग्राफिकल मेथड टू सॉल्व साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन. ग्राफिकल मेथड भी हमारा इक्वेटिंग कोएफिशिएंट वाला मेथड्स है. सो ओके, एंड एक है हमारे पास एडिंग एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग वाला मेथड. ऐसे हमारे पास डिफरेंट मेथड्स है इन्हीं इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए, तो हमें यहाँ पर सभी मेथड्स को सीखना है, और वो भी आपके लिए कोई ज़्यादा टफ या फिर ना समझने वाली बात बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। नेक्स्ट, एक्सपोनेंट्स. In exponent, very interesting topic. One of the interesting topic we can see laws and problems of exponent. There are few laws when the products are same, when the bases are same, and in between product sign, powers can be added. If the bases are same, if in between quotient sign is there, powers can be subtracted. So like this, if anything is the base but the power is 0, then it is 1. We are having few laws. Okay, next, problems. Also the problem based on exponents, law of exponent. Next is quadratic equation, one of the another interesting topic of any teacher who likes mathematics or who is going to attempt math has to compulsorily learn this topic, quadratic equation. Very one of the interesting topic. Meaning and types, different methods of solving, discriminant, sum and product of root. This is also important topic, sum and product of the root. Formation of quadratic equation, variation meaning, and types based problems on variation. Okay, like this. Next we can see basic geometrical ideas. Okay, you can see the topic. Next is basic geometrical ideas. Which are the basic geometrical ideas here? Triangles. On the basis of triangle, quadrilateral, these are the geometrical shapes. Triangle, quadrilateral, polygons. These are the particular shape. Triangle and quadrilateral are particular shape. 3-sided, 4-sided. But polygons, more than 3-sided. In polygon, they both will also come. Also other shapes. Okay, like pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, like that. Next, circles, mensuration. Let's go one by one. In triangle, in the basic ideas, what we need: basic definition, axioms, postulates, statement, theorem. And in triangle, in my last video I have shown one special type of triangle. What was that? Isosceles triangle. So like that, we are having many special type of triangle and with their special properties. Here we have to learn about it: meaning, types, properties, construction. Construction is very important because one 3-mark construction will come for 3 marks in the GPSTR paper. Now you can go through the question paper. Area and perimeter. If you comment in the comment box, I will show you in my next video the question paper pattern and how it is distributed among this syllabus. Okay. Heron's formula, congruent and similar triangles, concurrent lines, centroid in center, circumcenter and orthocenter. Okay, these all things will lie in a triangle. And also an interesting topic. Next, quadrilateral. Any 4-sided figure, any 4-sided, not fixed, square, rectangle. Okay, any 4-sided figure is called quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, again it has some properties: meaning, types, property, construction, area, perimeter and theorem. Here also construction you can see. Construction of a triangle, construction of a quadrilateral, construction of tangents. जब सर्कल आएगा तो उसमें आएंगे कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ tangents है, यहाँ पर chords and tangents, इनका भी कंस्ट्रक्शन हमें करना है. ओके, तो कंस्ट्रक्शन वाले हम टॉपिक्स देख सकते हैं. किस किस का कंस्ट्रक्शन है? ट्राइंगल का है, क्वाड्रिलैटरल का है, टैंजेंट्स सर्कल में आपके पास कंस्ट्रक्शन है. तो इन तीनों में से आप किसी पर एक कंस्ट्रक्शन वाला क्वेश्चन आप फिक्स कर सकते हैं. 1 से 2 क्वेश्चन को आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं एग्जाम में. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, डेफिनेशन, टर्म्स, द मीनिंग, साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल, कॉर्ड्स एंड टैंजेंट, थ्योरम ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड टू सर्कल. Next, mensuration. In mensuration, different solids we study like cylinder, cone, sphere, right? Okay, like this shapes we study: cylindrical cone, cylinder plus cone, cylindrical cone, sphere, cone. Okay. Next, plane. In mensuration, here plane figure, solid figure, LSA. What is LSA? Lateral surface area, and TSA, total surface area of solid figures. Volume of solid figures: cone, sphere, cylinder. Okay, frustum. Of volumes of solid, of cone, prism, combination of solids, conversion of solids. Okay, combination of solids means, like as I told just now, conical cylinder means one solid is our cone, another solid is our cylinder. This is combination of 2 solids. Similarly, we can have a cone like this shape, and also those both up and down are the two cones, and here in middle we can see a cylinder. These are the combinations of solids. And their conversion means what? One solid is in shape of sphere. When it is melted and recasted into the shape of cylinder, this is called conversion. Okay, conversion of the solids. Next is trigonometry. Basic ratios, identities, standard angles, complementary angles, heights and distances, problems, allied angles. So trigonometry from the class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. In these 4 years of syllabus, whatever trigonometry you have to go through it. First you go with basic. As you go on studying, no, you will be definitely getting interest, and you will go on studying on the same topic. Next, coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, order pair, distance formula, section formula, these are very important. One question will be 100 surely expected on this point. Distance formula or section formula. Slope, this is also very important. Slope and straight line, equation of a straight line, slope intercept form. Equation of a straight line, what we generally call? Okay. In coordinate, equation of straight line, like ax plus by plus c equals to 0. In slope intercept form, what is slope intercept form? Y equal to mx plus c. There are actually many different forms. Still more different forms are there in the class 11th of chapter straight line. Not only these two forms, slope intercept form, 2-point form, slope intercept, this is a general equation of line. There are the 4 different forms of line. One is point slope form also there. Okay. Next, symmetry and matrices. Symmetry, definition, line of symmetry, point of symmetry. This is one topic. Okay, definition, line of symmetry, point of symmetry. What is line of symmetry? A line which divides a shape into 2 equal parts. For example, there's a rectangular shape. If I draw this line of symmetry, it is exactly dividing into 2 parts. Similarly, if I draw a triangle, this is your line of symmetry, which is also exactly dividing into 2 equal parts. So one of the easy topic we can say, and one question will be definitely expected from this, and you can draw. You can easily gain these marks from the topic. And lastly, definition, types and determinants from the matrices. Definition of matrices, there are still types are there. Which are those? Row matrix, column matrix, square matrix, scalar matrix, identity matrix, okay, zero matrix. There are a number of types. And next, determinants. In determinants, a slight difference we can see in a writing method. Matrices is denoted by the square bracket and determinants are written under the straight lines, but the operations are totally different. This is also another interesting topic. Overall, if you look at the GPSTR syllabus, it is nothing for you if you go on a track, if someone will give you the correct direction and you follow them. Okay, easily you can crack GPSTR this coming year, as we know that there are number of posts. Okay, in few districts we can see like Bidar, seats were more, but the students were not qualified. This time you should not lose, you should not miss this opportunity and somehow crack it. And the books from the board which are reference given, which books references are given, NCERT textbooks of class 6 to 12th. As I told, ये class 6 से कहाँ तक आपको पढ़ना है? 12th तक. आप रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं रहेंगे 8th या 10th तक, आपको क्लास 12 तक पढ़ना है और आप ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं अपने टाइम पर। अब ये आपके लिए कोई मुश्किल की बात नहीं है, आप इजीली इसको क्रैक कर सकते हैं, आप इजीली इस पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट, कर्नाटका स्टेट बुक टेक्स्ट फॉर क्लासेस 6 to 12 एंड CBSE एज वेल NCERT टेक्स्ट बुक, कर्नाटका स्टेट दोनों CBSE और NCERT में स्टेट बोर्ड दोनों को आपको इसको रेफर करना है, ठीक है। So in this way we have discussed today the complete syllabus of GPSTR.